Are you someone who loves traveling but feel overwhelmed by all the details, like flights, hotel bookings, budgets, and packing lists? You're not alone. And that's why travel planners have become such a game changer for travelers everywhere. And here's the exciting part. Travel planners aren't just personal use. They've become one of the hottest selling digital products online. On platforms like Etsy, creators are earning dollars every single day just by designing and selling travel planners. Some of them have gained hundreds or even thousands of 5-star review because travelers truly see the value. Why? Because travel planners doesn't give you just to organize. It makes every journey memorable and stress-free. You can design your own travel planner without being a professional graphic designer. Tools like Canva to make it easy and to create beautiful, customizable planners that look professional. And once you upload them to Etsy, your design can sell again and again. And even while you're sleeping. That's passive income at its best. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to design the step-by-step professional-looking travel planner in Canva. I also share how to put your own creativity so your design will stand out. So before we jump into Canva, let's first show you a finished example of a travel planner. As you can see, it's clean, organized, and fun to use. It includes a key page like a travel itinerary page for flights, hotels, and daily plans. And also there's a budget tracker for expenses. Another one is the packing checklist so you will never forget your essentials. Next, I include a map or destination notes sections for easy planning. And even a space for travel memories where you can write about your favorite moments. This is a kind of product that sells well on Etsy because it adds real value for travelers. So now let's get started on designing. First, head over to Canva and search for travel planner. You'll see several ready-made templates including digital planners with hyperlinks. Now, I don't recommend just copying these templates. Instead, use them as a guide, a starting point to spark your creativity. Your goal is to design something unique that travelers will love. Next, decide if you want your planner to be printable, digital, or both. A common size is A4 or US letter for printable planners, and landscape orientation for digital planners with hyperlinks. Once you pick your size, create a blank design in Canva. Start with a simple but eye-catching cover. Add a travel-related title like My Adventure Planner or Wanderlust Journal. Use travel-themed graphics such as planes, suitcase, or maps. This is the first impression, so make it look professional. So in this case, I head over to Photos and type Notebook with a postcards for background. And I just click the photo that I want. To easily adjust the photo, just right-click and set image as background. And adjust the text and make sure it is aligned properly. And then I go to Effects and add outline for the title to make it more visible. This way it will look good and neat. Next, insert a new page for the itinerary. Divide it into sections for flights, accommodations, and daily plans. Use canvas table or shapes to keep it neat. This page is one of the most important because travelers want everything in one place. Then I add text and change its color to make it more visible. Then after this, I go to Tools and click Lines. Then I just simply copy and paste to make it more easy. For the shortcuts, just click Ctrl-C or Command-C. And for the paste, just click Command-V or Ctrl-V. Go ahead and do it like you did before. Then after putting lines, go to Elements and add shapes for the notes. Adjust its size and color. Let's add another page. Go to Elements and type Table. You can adjust the border weight and adjust the columns by simply clicking the plus sign on the side. Then adjust the columns to your preferred size. And also add text to each column. Just keep adding date, activity location, budget, accommodation, and notes. Next, place a boxes and add text for the side. We'll insert the links later after finishing the other pages of the travel planner. Next is every traveler needs a checklist. Create a page with sections like clothing, toiletries, electronics, and important documents. Leave a space for people to add their own items. Customers love checklists because they save time and prevent mistakes. Insert a page with space for maps or destination notes. For this part, I add the text traveling to, followed by the date and numbers of the days, then add lines. After that, I insert a box with lines for the checklist. And at the bottom, I include a section for reminders if there's any. You can also add a simple world map graphic or just leave space for travelers to piece or sketch their own. This personal touch makes the planner feel more customizable. Then, add a travel memories page where people can write about their favorite moments, paste photos, and add doodles. This gives the planner an emotional touch, turning it from just a tool into a keepsake. Another one, if you want to make your planner digital, use Canva's hyperlink tool. So when people click, it jumps straight to the page. This makes your planners interactive and more attractive to buyers. Then don't just immediately download it. Just go through your planner page by page. Make sure the fonts are clear, the layout is neat, and the design feels cohesive. Then export it as a PDF, either print ready or digital, depending on your goal. And that's it. You've just created your own travel planner in Canva. Now imagine uploading it into Etsy. Once it's listed, your planners can start selling to travelers all around the world. The best part, it's a digital product. So you can only design it once and it can sell over and over again. That means extra income for you even while you're sleeping. Wow. But if you don't want to completely start from scratch or even you want to save time, here's something even better. We already have a wide range of travel planner that you can buy and ready to use right away. Just head over to plrdoc.com where you can find travel planners that are ready to use and ready to go. So whether you want to simplify your own travels or earning dollars in Etsy, the opportunity is wide open. And then visit plrdoc.com and get your ready-made travel planners. I will also add the link on the description box below. Bye!